Hello everyone, today we're going to show you how to make chicken leg korma, and this recipe is specially made for beginners out there. So first we're going to pour about half a cup of oil. We're going to add 2 green cardamom. Stir this until fragrant on high heat. Add 1 large onion, finely cut. Once the onion is nice and golden brown, we're going to add 1 kilo of chicken legs. If you want, you can use a kilo of whole chicken, but we're using chicken legs specially for this recipe. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. If you want to check out how to make regular chicken korma, we have that recipe uploaded on our channel as well. I'll leave a link to that in the description below and in the comment section. We're going to fry the chicken until you can see it slightly turns brown and start adding in our spices. We added turmeric, red chili powder, salt to taste, a teaspoon of paprika, and we added a teaspoon of everything else as well. About 2 teaspoons of korma masala. You can use any brand that you like. In order to make this extra fancy, we're going to add about 1/4 of a cup of heavy cream. We are not going to whisk this. This is straight out of the container. Add about 1/2 cup of water and cover this on medium flame until the chicken starts to cook. Then, uncovering it on high flame, we're going to add in some jaifal and javatri, and we are going to really mix this so that it starts to form that masala and dries up. We added about a teaspoon of the jaifal and javatri mixture. Here you can see that the oil has started to separate. Once it's all done, we're going to top it off with some cilantro and green chilies and a splash of heavy cream. There you go, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and comment down below what else you'd like to see, and go check out our other videos such as our famous gulab jamun recipe and baby food recipes.